Hello. Today we will talk about another literary term, that is elegy. Elegy is a poem of mourning. It laments these kind of poems laments the loss of a person or the persons or the death of some beloved friend or patron. And because of subject matter, an elegy is solemn and meditative. It means the speaker, the whole atmosphere of the poem is very gloomy and solemn. There are some famous elegies of English literature, um, are Milton's Lycidas, Shelley's Adonais, Tennyson's In Memoriam. And one of the most famous elegies is Thomas Gray's elegy written in a country churchyard, is written in the memory of ordinary people. This poem does not mount the death of a specific or a very great person, but this poem mounts the death of humble, ordinary people whose heroic acts have found no fame, and the poet mounts the passing away of these noble and simple people. This elegy is a very different kind of elegy because it mounts the death of ordinary people up till and the other elegies that are recited here, those those elegies mounts the death of specific persons. There is a different kind of elegy also, that is called the pastoral elegy. In pastoral elegies, the whole atmosphere of the poem is pastoral, and the loss, the shepherds and all the nature laments the loss of that specific person in the pastoral elegies. Epithet. Epithet is a word indicating an adjective. Sometimes an adjective is used as a noun to indicate its representational quality. Homeric epithets are often compound words like fleet-footed or bolt-hurling. It means the quality is transferred to noun. Transferred epithet is a term used when the quality is transferred to another object. For instance, dancing rocks, where it is clear that the rocks do not dance but the waves which move and convey the impression of movement of, or whispering leaves, where the leaves do not whisper but the breeze whisper as it passes through them. There is one example from your book, elegy written in a country churchyard. Weary way. Weary means tired, way means the path. The path can never be tired. The quality of weary, the tiredness of the farmers is associated with the way, with the path. So it can be understood like this, that the quality of something else is transferred to the other object. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure in which the things are exaggerated to a very high point. Is a figure of speech indicating exaggeration. It means a bold overstatement or a tall talk.